AXON stock analysis and price predictions for Axon Enterprise. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Ultimately, I'm here to tell you that this pump was nice. You know, I was expecting the price to give me some bulls, and it just gapped up sort of way, and that's totally fine. I was just never able to catch this opportunity. Similar thing happened right here very earlier, when the price was already at $5.99, right, 2 months ago. From $5.99 with $8.67. So that's a almost 50% increase. And I'm here to tell you that the only way that I will look at this is in a way that I can position myself from this long side yet again. So how is this going to look like? Well, here is the top. And if this goes down and gives me a double break, then and only then I will look to buy. Other than that, like randomly pulling the trigger, it's not going to be happening. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is I'm waiting. So let me know what is your opinion. If you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.